Winter is combing my hair.
Winter is combing? Yeah.
It's just combing my hair.
Oh, nice. I like the winter in my hair.
Yeah.
Watch out!
Oh. Winter is combing.
You
Winter is
crazy ass
combing.
fucking Norway driver.
Okay. We're here, guys. Yeah!
Oh,
Come on.
yeah.
Plane time.
Yeah!
Okay, so who's
Adventure.
gonna fly? Who's gonna try it out?
I will fly this thing.
Yeah?
Yeah?
You gonna do it?
Let's
This is
all
flight
get
time?
in
Like-
and trust our pilot.
Alright.
What kind of
Trust our
confidence level?
pilot.
It's
Has almost
difficult.
no fuel.
It's kind of difficult. Are we gonna make it even to that?
Like, at
It's
first I
gonna
need
be
to
like
know
the next
direction.
movie on YouTube. Air crash.
It's gonna be so
weird.
fun.
Okay, I hope
Wait,
you're
I'm not in.
recording.
I'm not in. Done.
This
We're
is
not-
gonna
oh,
be fun.
hello. I'm next
So
to.
you're just gonna leave the
Oscar.
rule, yeah?
I hope you're recording. First time pilot.
Nice.
Yeah,
God.
9
Oh
minutes.
So
my
I
God.
guess head right, flaps down.
Alright.
Try and just go slow for the turn. In fact, yeah, just like go straight ahead until you actually get on the runway.
Yeah, I have a question. How the fuck do I start it?
Q.
Oh, okay, here we
Did
go.
you fuel it
Does it
up,
have enough fuel?
guys? Did we
Is
fuel it
there
up?
Well,
fuel?
Captain, give us a pep talk, cause
Is there fuel in?
Fuel.
Nice.
What's
Flap
the fuel
test. Flap test.
Alright,
Taxi it up to the end
nice,
of the
Flap
runway.
test. That
Come
sounds a
on.
bit personal. Doesn't it?
Oh
Flaps are
yeah.
working.
Oh yeah, flaps are working.
Get away from my flaps. What kind of fuel
Okay,
have we got?
next question.
Stop
How
shaking
do
your
I go
ass.
forwards?
On your right and left side, there's emergency exits. Guys,
That's all you
need to know. There's an eject button. That's
Guys,
all.
what's the fuel at? Pilot? Who's
It's
the pilot?
at about 0.1%.
Should we fuel it up?
Wait.
Yeah.
Don't move yet. Oh my god, what the hell happened there? That was weird.
Try not to stick your head in the propeller.
It's fine. It'll do more damage to the plane than it will my head, I think.
Really?
Oddly. This is how it is with the choppers.
You're like a robot.
In the what's it called? In the old what's it called?
You're like the Tin Can Man from the Wizard of Oz.
Don't start it.
I'll do my best.
Right, I'm getting a big can.
So take any medical supplies you can find in the Euro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just put there's morphine in there if you want it. And my painkillers.
I need to drink.
In fact,
I've got no more morphine.
there's 2 morphine in my bag.
Okay, I
And
need.
there's one in the
I
actual.
have the M9 mag.
Oh yeah, I'll put the ST
I'll put
mags.
some more stomach mags in the truck.
Can someone come to the ghillie guy and give me some morphine? Not to inject it, but just take it.
Take it out of my bag.
I got
If you want? I'm like the schoolboy guy here.
Glasses.
You're right.
Oh,
You got it?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. I'm gonna
Nicholas, I
refuel?
need, yeah,
I'm just gonna
put
gonna refuel this right now.
Yeah, and put the mags inside the airplane.
Will the M16 take?
GT6 SD mags, yes.
Okay. I'll put the empty can in the plane. Do you guys mind if I take that M16
It's okay.
in the Euro? Yeah.
Guess we'll find new weapons over there anyway. If we survive.
That's
I
right.
can't find the fuel part, so...
Just on the left side. Where you get in? Anybody got any blood bags?
Can I, and somebody else try, I'll drop the jerry can right here.
No, we don't don't have blood bags. Yes, I don't even have a backpack. So, yes, find that
Awesome.
also there.
Take Jerry can.
Come on, guys, let's go. 10% is enough to make
Refuel.
it. We're gonna crash it anyways. So plus I wanna keep it. So
We could try to like airdrop in, and the pilot tries to land afterwards alone.
I don't think I will make that.
We need to try and airdrop in near the beach. We need to go fast though, because we're running out of nighttime.
and I get only
About to say daylight then.
I get only half an hour more. So
So let's go.
Yeah.
Be ready to abort/eject.
How does the parachute work?
You need to be, let's say, 100 meters above the ground,
And then
above the
what?
air, and then roll.
It's automatic,
scroll
right?
and eject.
Is Rainbow in?
yeah.
Yes, so. Yeah, he's in.
Yeah, he's in.
Yeah,
Maybe
avoid those
fly.
bushes, man. Avoid the bushes.
Oh,
Oh,
god.
shit.
Oh my god.
Dude,
Oh my
first,
god.
go to
Oh
the...
my god.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, just avoid the bushes and then turn right. Right, dude, right.
It's a
It's
little
left.
bit hard to control.
Okay,
Oh dear.
Ja, det kan
Calm down, calm down. I got
easy does it.
Alright.
Gutter, veldig
Keep
viktig
your
at du
speed low.
ikke,
Keep speed low.
ikke prøver å ta av før du har fått stor fart, ok?
Okay.
Da hopper du opp, og så lander du på ræva, og så sprenges vi, og så dør vi. Jeg har prøvd det.
What are the guys in the airplane trying to do? Turn around. If we start getting shot at, don't worry, because this thing can take a
Because
lot
you're
of
dead
damage.
anyways, right?
Keep going left, man. Come on.
Okay. Can you reverse
Keep your
at all?
speed down. Keep your speed down for the turn. No, you can't reverse. Keep going forward. Until you've
Don't try to lift off at the grass.
got... No.
No, go left.
Go left.
Yeah.
and-
Keep going left a bit more.
Right.
Yeah, I know.
And then full speed
I don't
on
want to
the...
like tip it over.
Okay. Okay.
Wait. Oh, Jesus.
Alright,
Now turn right slightly.
speed up.
Right, turn right. Turn right before you speed up.
Yeah, I like it.
Alright,
Okay, here we
full
go, guys.
speed.
Okay, give it some beans and flaps down.
Rate
And
your guns.
really slowly. Wait till you've got like lots of speed before you pull up.
Don't flaps
pull
down.
up yet. Don't pull up yet.
Don't flaps down yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's sort of going.
Keep it steady. Don't pull up too much. Don't pull up too fast. Really slowly.
Holy shit.
Level it out. Level it out. Don't pull up. Don't pull up. Level it out. You're pulling
Don't
up.
pull up.
Alright,
There you go.
Oh
there you go.
god.
alright.
Is it okay?
Stop doing this shit.
Whoa,
Stop doing
whoa, whoa!
Calm down. I fucking got
I'm just joking, man.
Oh god.
Not left. Not towards the
I'm
mountain.
having
Oh,
my
God.
finger. I'm
Really?
having my finger on
That's
the
the wrong
eject
way?
button.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my god.
Now, does anybody?
going-
Level it out.
Oh my
We're
god.
going down!
Really? I ejected. I ejected.
I don't
He
know
just
where I
suddenly
am.
fell straight down.
Du svinget
What the
forbi din
fuck?
jævla jøde!
I didn't die though.
I
broke
survived.
the leg.
Survived.
It was pretty damn close.
Broke my leg. I'm getting back up. Nice.
I think I'm in shock.
Yeah, can somebody, like...
Wow.
that was...
Can someone drop a flare?
Why
Yeah,
did
well,
why did we turn?
Because you pulled up. Because you pulled up too high, and turned. That's why.
Suddenly it was going kind of straight. And suddenly it was like dropping speed.
You just lose power if you pull up too fast.
Okay.
Okay, go out of the woods and we'll gather up.
It's
Did
all good.
nobody die?
It was
I
fun.
didn't
Who's running away from me?
didn't
Please, dude, can somebody give me the EpiPen? I have it on me.
Real girl.
I don't know where you are.
Run straight uphill.
I can't
Straight
see
uphill.
shit. I'm seeing a tree falling.
Yeah, the girl is running right at me. Yeah, that's me.
Where's the player?
Here,
Oh my
next
God,
to you,
I
next
can't
to you.
see shit. Anyone who has blood?
That was partially amazing.
Ghillie suit and girl passed me.
I'm gonna throw some flares out. Wait,
Right here.
some cam lights and
Girl, run down. Run downhill. Now to the right.
There you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're kind of out. I'm fixing up.
What plane?
Anyone else?
yeah, well, next plan is fix the chopper, I guess.
Can
Oh my
anybody fly a
God,
helicopter?
Yeah.
Well, the chopper is fixed, so
Can anyone fly a helicopter?
I think I can. I think I can.
Okay.
Really.
I need blood, seriously, guys. I'm almost dead.
okay, I'm gonna give you some.
I'm here. I'm the hippie.
Stand still.
I'm the hippie dude.
Okay, how about the zombie with the fancy
I can't see
glasses?
you. my
Yeah,
so
that's
blurry.
me.
I'm near
Thanks.
the cam light.
Thanks for healing me.
You go.
Still
Where
have
are
a
you,
broken
guy?
leg, but I'm...
Where are you?
Yeah, but I'm lagging. I think I need to
I
reboot.
can't see you, guy who wanted to blood.
I can run, but it says
still.
I have a broken leg.
Stand still.
Oh,
Giving you morphine.
Alright, can you
Yeah.
give me blood as well?
thanks.
It's my last blood bag. We need to stop at the hospital.
Oh my god, I passed out.
It's amazing.
Wait, where is he?
That
I
couldn't
got,
have
I got
gone any
EpiPen.
better.
I got
Yeah, I
EpiPen.
can give him some.
I'm back up, it's alright. I just need blood.
Do it anal.
Yeah.
I'm gonna reboot
Oh.
quick.
I want to get stung in the ass.
With an epi.
Okay,
It wakes you up.
I'm giving you blood now.
Better than a coffee.
You're not bleeding, are you?
What, from his ass?
Nice, thanks.
But there was some other guys here, right? They saw us in the plane. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
They probably took our Ural.
They must have had a good giggle, I reckon.
Let's run towards Ural. Are you guys there?
Where are you guys? Oh, I see the cam lights.
Make sure you have eaten some painkillers, because you can't aim for shit.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, hello. See somebody.
I'm spawning in, don't shoot me.
Okay, we can wait for you. Who's that hippie guy in front
Did
of
you
me?
guys find a hole here somewhere?
I'm in the ghillie behind you. Stop.
Okay.
Apparently
I
I
got-
lost
I got
his
things.
hearing.
Oh, no, it's
You at the
alright.
fence.
Okay, there's the last guys coming out of the woods.
So,
There's
plane.
3 here. Where's the other
They
guys?
They crossed
I'm
already.
over
I
here.
don't know where the hole is. Oh, it's here.
Okay.
Alright, so we're all patched up.
To the
Andy.
chopper.
We're, yeah.
Back to
What?
the Ural.
I'm
But
actually
the chopper
alive.
can't take all of us.
Ja, du
Good
är
if-
helikopter.
If you could use
Varför det?
use the chopper to find some boats on some islands.
Yeah, we can use the chopper to find
Trying
boats.
to find
Are you
find
guys in the
PBX.
hangar?
Uh,
We threw out the flare in the last hangar.
yeah. Dang. I actually
Free
survived
helicopter.
the crash.
At the
Are you in
base
the airplane?
near Bogo Airport.
Who's this hippie in front of me?
We all survived.
Did you catch the name of the guy who
I'm a hippie and
You have an Alice
wanna
pack?
get stoned?
Alice pack.
you don't want to get stoned?
Who's the guy with the Alice pack and the M16?
Me, man.
Get stoned with me. No, I'm just kidding. Did you anybody catch the name of the guy who
Adam. Adam.
He had like a
was-
clan name.
Adam.
Adam?
Yeah.
He had like a clan name before, with some eyes and some L's.
Chopper incoming.
Really?
Yep.
Go down.
I hear it.
You can shoot it out of the sky.
Yes,
Try
it-
something weird enough.
It's probably ours.
It's over to the west, heading towards the mountain. Probably around the back of the mountain. Yeah, it's gone.
Okay, Thea,
I
do you
saw
leave it?
something fall out of the sky.
Oh, aliens?
Maybe a DMR guy.
A DMR.
Someone behind us. 2 people.
Yeah, that's
That's us.
that's
Yeah, it's us.
Yeah. Open fire!
Hmm.
Stop it. Who's this in front of me now?
I'm,
gill
I'm a
suit.
hippie wearing a jeans jacket, I guess.
With
Yeah,
the SA-58, yeah. That's me behind you. Oh!
Who's shooting?
Oh! Oh!
Guys, are you guys shooting?
Nope.
Isn't any one of you shooting?
I'm just securing some things.
Just keeping the
just
blood
kidding.
pressure up, you know?
You never know. With so much
keep it
people, you
exciting.
get
What's
confused.
that fire, dude? There's a fire in the second hangar.
It's a flare.
In the last
Oh.
hangar. Yeah.
Who did?
There's
Who
someone
threw it?
by a
Yeah,
chem
yeah.
light. Yeah, you're by the Ural.
Getting lights off.
Go to Korea.
I'm by the hangars.
Okay.
I guess we need the 3 windscreen glasses to fix the chopper.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because that's the problem when it's leaking, right? The
Yeah.
hull has to be complete.
And have we got fuel? I mean,
It
sorry,
just-
we got toolbox.
Could you just like conquer a city and repopulate?
Yeah, I got a toolbox.
Repopulate?